Okay, in today's lesson, what we're going to be doing is going over cross-cutting as well as the L and J cuts. You're going to be doing both of these in this assignment, so it's going to take a little bit more effort. Therefore, I'm going to give you 2 days to do this. I'm going to give you an example of what I'm talking about. First, cross-cutting is just cutting between 2 separate scenes, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So, not really paying attention. Whoop. Yeah. Right here, what you'll see is a combination going back and forth between 2 separate videos. Let me get to where it's moving a little quicker. So here, summer me, hanging out in the hammock, doing no work. Here's me at work, going back and forth between these two, having a conversation. That's the basis of a cross cut, right? It's just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth between 2 things. It doesn't matter what it is. An easy way to do it is a phone call. You can be doing all kinds of different things in this scenario. It doesn't have to be a phone call. But it's just going back and forth between 2 things. Each one of these videos was a single video recorded for a long period of time and then cut into pieces. You can see down here the gaps in my audio. It's a good way to kind of figure out what that is. Now, cross-cutting is a visual cut. It's actually a transition about the video itself. It has nothing to do with the audio. Whereas the L and the J cuts are 100% audio. That's all it is an audio transition. So let's go back and let's look at where we have some of these. Right here at the beginning, I have what's known as an L cut. You see the audio continues past where the video does. See, it kind of makes an L shape, right? So if I listen to what's going on here, and I'll turn my audio up. Let's see, if I'd have really done this over the summer, it'd make life way easier. Let's check it. Let me call him. Hey, bro. I know it's summer. So you hear the continual talk from me over here moving into the next scene, right? So that is your basic L-shaped cut. So let's look for a J cut here. So a J cut is where the audio starts beforehand. So right here, you are not busy right now. You hear me start to talk before the actual audio comes in. So what's the real difference between these two? Let me go back. I think I deleted some audio. What's the real difference between these two? The difference is the audio starts before or it starts after. L, after. I think L, it goes late. J, it shows up early, right? So right here, if I hit play. Now, well, you got nothing to do. What? You want me to work? Or right here. I'm busy, bro. I don't know what to tell you. You are not busy right now. You hear me start to talk before it actually goes to that video. Now again, there's 100 different ways you can do an L or a J cut. You can be cutting with different types of audio. For example, you hear the train coming down the tracks, and then all of a sudden you see it, right? So you hear it first, then you see it. Or you're hearing rain fall on a sunny day. Rain's falling all over you on a sunny day. You're hearing this noise of rain, but you're seeing a sunny day. And then all of a sudden it cuts to a rainy day, right? So these are different ways of transitioning with your audio. Again, Lord have mercy. Just make
you understand I'm not getting paid right now. It's something.
Right? I'm going to attach the full video here towards the end of this tutorial so you can see exactly where those cuts are happening. I want you to pay attention to what you're hearing because this is an audio transition. So what I'm looking for from you today, I am looking for 3 examples of an L and a J cut. 3 examples of L, 3 examples of J. You're also going to cross-cut your video the entire way. My recommendation is filming yourself in 2 locations. That's going to be the easiest way to do it. But I always want you to challenge yourself. Think of a different way to do it. Think of a way outside of the box, right? With this video, what you're looking to do really is film for your project. If you've got to film these transitions anyway, you might as well go ahead and film for your project because I'm grading on these transitions. I'm expecting to see these transitions in your projects. So go ahead and film something that you can utilize in your project. There's all kinds of ways to do this. If you're interviewing somebody, it's easy. You're crossing between you and them over and over. You, them, you, them, you, them. And their audio tracks moving back just like I had mine. I want you to experiment and I want you to play around with this. So again, 3 examples of Lcuts, 3 examples of Jcuts, all while cross-cutting. This is a lot, so I'm going to give you 2 days to complete this challenge. 1 day to film, 1 day to edit, because that's what it's going to take in order to do this correctly. Think outside the box. That's my biggest recommendation. Film for your project. Alright, I look forward to seeing what you're going to do. Have a good one. Here's too much to do. Can't keep up with it with all these meetings, taking my planning period away. All these tutorials I gotta make. This is too much. Let's see, if I'd have really done this over the summer, it'd have made life way easier. Let's check it. Let me call him. Hey, bro.
Yeah, but what you need?
I know it's summer. Look, do me a favor. Please, Lord, go in there and make some tutorial videos and some assignments now while you got nothing to do.
What? You want me to work during the summer? Like, bro, I got much better things to do than that. Like, I'm busy. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to tell you.
You are not busy right now. I know it's summer. Dude, get up and do something, please.
Yeah, man, that sucks. I know. You got a lot to do. Me, I'm just gonna sit out here. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna enjoy my summer.
You know how much easier it would be if you would just go ahead and make these tutorials.
I know we got tutorials to do, but you know, you do it while getting paid. I'm not doing it while I'm not getting paid.
Lord have mercy. Just make a
And you
video.
understand I'm not getting paid right now. It's summer.
Just a few assignments,
Right.
That's all I'm saying.
I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy.
All right, bro. Guess I'm just gonna sit here and struggle.
All right, bro. Deuces. Have a good one. Enjoy the work life.
Can't get nowhere with this man. Lazy AF.